Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 11 in my series on the English language. In this lesson, we're going to learn some more about greetings and introductions. Some words and phrases in the text you will see have been underlined or highlighted. You will find notes about these in the description box below. Now let's go to the desk.
Meeting a new neighbour. Hello, my name is Tom. I'm the new neighbour. Hi Tom, my name is Julian. Welcome to the neighbourhood. Pleased to meet you, Julian. Are you from around here? No, I am from Scotland. I have a new job. I had to move. I see. What do you do? I am a lorry driver. And you, Julian? What do you do? That's funny. I'm a bus driver. We both drive for a living. That's a coincidence. Do you like your job? Yes, the hours are regular and the work is not hard. I have regular hours too. But the traffic is heavy. Driving is tiring. Yes, the traffic is the problem. That's true.
Well done. Don't worry if you are finding it hard to pronounce the words or if you are making mistakes. This is normal. As you do more lessons, it will become easier. Don't forget to practice. I'll see you in lesson 12. Till then, goodbye.